Let's celebrate. There's a party going on right here, a celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now. Celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. And have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on! It's a celebration. It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on. Let's celebrate. There's a party going on right here, a dedication to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate and party with you. Come on now. Let's all celebrate and have a good time, yeah, yeah. Celebration. We gon' celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on! It's a celebration. It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on. Let's celebrate. Come on now. Celebrate good times, come on. Let's celebrate. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate.
Pretty woman walking down the street, pretty woman, the kind I like to meet, pretty woman. I don't believe you, you're not the truth. No one could look as good as you. Mercy. Pretty woman, won't you pardon me, pretty woman? I couldn't help but see, pretty woman, that you look lovely as can be. Are you lonely just like me? Wow. Pretty woman, stop a while. Pretty woman, talk a while. Pretty woman.
You may take your seat na po. Magandang gabi po. So, on behalf of our family, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta and for joining us with this very memorable celebration po ng birthday po ni Lola Sandy. This rose represents a decade of her beautiful life filled with love, wisdom, and cherished memories. To start po with the first rose, the first dance, we call on Ralph Cesar. Rose Elias Laksamana.
Sige ba? Meron niya.
For the fourth Rose, Attorney Alfredo Malonda. For the next Rose, Eddie Manlungan. For the last dance, si Daddy Cesar. So for the photo op, we call on all the 7 roses for the picture taking with
buhay at alisin niya ang sakit ko. May bara po ako sa puso, diabetes, ang dami ko pong sakit. Kaya sabi ko sa Panginoon, bigyan pa ako ng maraming kaarawan para sa aking mahal sa buhay.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Lola. I love you.
Kaya
Halaga.
diyan ka muna.
Sana po palagi po kayo healthy.
What very sweet message. Next, something we have Jaina Aya Maglaki.
Happy birthday po, Lola. More birthdays to come po and good health.
Kendra. Next up we have Luisa May Mondor. Yun, your message to Lola.
Message ko kay Lola, dito. Message ka. Message ko kay Lola.
Yeah, maraming salamat. So, picture taking. Ayan. Thank you so much.
Ano yan?
Sana lalo ang makakapin. Huwag ako lang naman mas ko kasali. Sana nila ako na sa
Happy birthday! Sana umaba ang mga at basnantay 97 years! Amen!
Happy birthday. Ito kami wish na pagkakala. Sana binana ka pang makabagyan na ako ginoon. At lagi kang bumilis.
Marcel, yan, mabait, maruga at mapagbalasakit na tita. Siyempre, ang okay. So, ang prayer namin kay Tita Zeni, mas mahaba pang buhay at magandang kalusugan na yan ng Jesus. Okay? Happy birthday!
Ipaalala sa iyo ang nakalimutan sumama. Na ako'y sa iyo at ika'y aking lamang. Walang iba ang sasarap sa pagtitingin lang natin. Sana ay pinamagwakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay wag na wag mong kalimutan. Pangako ko naman na lagi ka pakikinggan.
Ang isang pag-ibig ay parang lansangan, dapat dalawahan. Kaya't sa ating awit tayo ay magbigayan. Awitin mo at isasayaw ko. Oh, oh, oh. Awitin mo at isasayaw ko. Walang iba